If you are to ride a bike, ensure that your head is protected. So we'll have a photo opportunity before we invite His Excellency to come to the presidential dais, where we'll kick off with the speeches and then followed by photo opportunities with the drivers. Eddie? Welcome, Your Excellency. And the order that we're going to follow now is that we'll have a photo opportunity with the drivers. So allow me to invite the Presidential Escort Band to give us just one soft piece of music as we get the drivers ready to have their photo opportunity. And we'll have 3 photos, starting with P1 drivers, followed by all the drivers present. Then the 3rd photo is going to be with a lady driver. So if we can follow that order kindly, we'll start with the P1 drivers, then followed by by all drivers present, and the last photo is going to be with the drivers. We may take our seats kindly. Let's take our seats, please. Presidential Escort Band, ngoja kidogo. The drivers are here, so we'll follow program as agreed. So we'll start with the P1 drivers, who will be arranged there. His Excellency is going to join them. Then let's have all the other drivers ready at the back, and the last photo will be with the lady drivers.
Unasema? Promotion. Baada ya saa sita hapo ni tapo iko sawa. Ni tapo iko sawa. Ini dapat kota. Tunggu sah. Memang tunggu saya air.
Kindly give me a thumbs up, photographers, when you're done. Thumbs up when you're done.
Oh.
All right, the other drivers, all drivers present. All drivers to come in and fill the gap.
Nini? Nita hapo iko sawa. Nige.
Photographers, please give a thumbs up once you're ready, once you're done. We have a thumbs up, so lady drivers only. The rest can retreat. Lady drivers only to be left. Lady drivers only to be left.
Wale wenye tulizongani. Tulikuwa lazima. Washindi. Uende. Twende Doni then tupande. Pile.
Thank you. Those of us who have seats, we may take our seats. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President. Apologies for that. Your Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces. As Cabinet Secretary CS Mvoria, all Cabinet Secretaries present, Principal Secretaries present, Mr.